don't see anything wrong with this.
Salvageable.
Batman Wesley.
Yeah, we got, this is full race car, pal. We're gonna go second gear here. Alright, we have 2-step odds, so. Alright, you ready for this, guys?
In the honor of Stuntman!
That was just a burnout.
Neutral drop! Stuntman! What's it got, Stuntman? Oh shit, we broke a brake light. Damn. What's it gonna be?
Safety first, and
Neutral drop
hopefully
style.
I don't fucking hit my truck.
Yeah, buddy. All right. That popped way quicker than I expected it.
That's a burnout under a truck.
Yeah, we did that underneath the truck towards a lift. That wasn't sketchy at all. Wow. Wow! Alright. Alright, so we popped the spare tire in like 30 seconds. So, this is the most legit setup you've ever seen. We got Stuntman Wesley over here. No copyright intended there. Just love you guys, a neutral drop. So, we got a strap hooked around the Del Sol roll hoop. You know, the factory roll hoop. We got some rotors on the tires there. The e-brake's on.
Yeah, get the water going.
Water? What do we need water for? Alright, so we have the strap here is a safety strap hooked to this tree, but it's not exactly hooked to the tree because we ran out of length. So we have this piece of aluminum. I don't even know what it's for. Maybe a back rack on a truck or something. But we could only fit it around that, so we're worried about it kind of swinging up and hitting the tree or this Subi here. So, you know, we got it held down with the tire. Should be fine. Really, really solid setup, you know. The whole time you had both going. Open diff my ass. Wow. Wow. Wow, folks. Decent. I'm just gonna bang through first through third real quick.
Yeah, see if it hits third. It didn't like third last time, but...
I'm gonna start in second actually. No, I wanna rip through the gears.